Imagine a world where AI evolves on its own, adapting to new information without human intervention. This is the promise of self-adapting LLMs, a revolutionary leap from traditional models limited by static datasets. This presentation is brought to you by Business Compass LLC. We are an Amazon Web Services advanced consulting partner. We build and migrate workloads to Amazon Cloud. Our website is businesscompassllc.com. Our phone numbers are 973-638 and 2228. Our email address is contact@businesscompassllc.us. Traditional LLMs, while groundbreaking, struggle with outdated data. Self-adapting LLMs autonomously update, learning continuously. This innovation marks a significant shift in AI, promising more dynamic and responsive systems. Self-adapting LLMs excel through continuous learning, integrating new data seamlessly. They refine predictions in real time, ensuring outputs remain relevant and accurate without extensive retraining. Reinforcement learning from human feedback enhances these models, allowing them to adapt based on user interactions. This approach ensures personalized, context-aware responses, improving overall performance. Adaptive retrieval, augmented generation keeps outputs current by dynamically accessing external databases. Automated prompt engineering further optimizes adaptability, enhancing conversational quality. Self-adapting LLMs offer always current information, ensuring up-to-date responses. They enhance user experience with personalized interactions and reduce maintenance costs by minimizing manual retraining. These models find applications in customer support, healthcare, and finance, continuously learning from interactions to improve accuracy and relevance, providing real-time insights and predictions. While promising, self-adapting LLMs face challenges like data privacy and computational efficiency. Addressing these is crucial for adoption. As AI evolves, these models will be integral to future intelligent systems.